everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and I just wanted to share some mail that I've got this week from followers and customers and fellow demonstrator. So the first share is from the lovely Julie Cox, and this is Julie's Facebook page. I don't know if you can see it, and she's called Julie's Handcrafted Cards and Classes, and she's over there in Nelson in New Zealand. And she used to live in England and then moved over there to New Zealand. I'm not sure how long she's been over there. So if you're in New Zealand and you don't have a demonstrator and you're in the Nelson area, you can't go wrong with Julie. She's really lovely, and she regularly sends me beautiful, beautiful cards and gifts. And this is the second year running that she's sent me a little Christmas gift, and she sent me a calendar. And I do put them up in my crafty office, and it's absolutely lovely. So this is the calendar that she sent me this year, beautiful New Zealand in colour, so I can sit there and dream that I live there, because it looks amazing. Look at how beautiful. So this will go up in my craft room, and what I might do, I might just make it a little bit of a journal, and when, at the end of the year when it's done, make a little bit of a journal with some of the photos from this, because it really is very, very beautiful. It's obviously a very beautiful place. And along with that, Julie sent me this beautiful package, alright, that had some beautiful, beautiful chocolate in. Well, and I'm saying had, because I'm not going to lie, we've had it. We've ate it. It was lovely. And she's used the beautiful, the name's gone out my brain. It's the new Christmas exclusive one. It's beautiful, and she's glittered it all as well. It's absolutely stunning. I think she's put Winker Stella on it, and she's hand coloured that, and it says from our house to yours, and then she's used the twill tied-ins decorative wrapping paper, and I just think that's beautiful. What a lovely way to present a bar of chocolate. And I will say, Julie, that chocolate went down a treat. It was lush. So thank you. And she spoils me every year. And so she's written me a little note here. I'm not going to read that out because that's for me, that's private. And then this is Julie's card. Now Julie makes the most stunning cards. Look at the colours here. It's absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. So you slide the belly band off. Each one of those has got individual pearls on. Now she does do classes in the Nelson area there in New Zealand. I tell you what, if I were over there, I would be going to her classes, because this lady is super talented. And then she's used the beautiful First Frost paper there and matched up the colours perfectly with that cardstock and then the silver foil card, and it opens like so. And just look at that. Isn't that amazing? She's just so clever at putting things together. That just looks beautiful. And it's one of those ones, I can't think what the name of it is, but it's really beautiful. And then it says, may the spirit of peace gently fill your heart and home in this most wonderful time of the year. And look at that stunning die cut there. And then this has got stitched edge as well. It's absolutely beautiful. It really did take my breath away when I opened it. And this will be, when I put my tree up at some point this next week, this will be going on my mantelpiece. So I think it's absolutely beautiful. So that's from the lovely Julie. Okay, go and check her out over on Facebook. Julie's Handmade. What is she called again? Let me find her again. Where is she? Julie's Handcrafted Cards and Classes. Okay, over there in Mapua, M-A-P-U-A. I don't want to ruin the name of it. And then here I've had this lovely little card that has been handmade specially for me by one of my lovely customers, Jan. I'm not going to give her surname out, she might not want me to, but you know who you are, Jan. And this little gem really did make me smile, so thank you for thinking of me. I do appreciate it. I think it's lovely, and you know I like vintage. I love it, it's beautiful. Okay, and then this one here is from a lady called Eileen Nielsen. Okay, I don't want to show her address there. I don't mind showing mine because it's all over the place already. And she is from, is she Canadian or American? I'm not sure if she's, oh, it says US, so she must be American. And she asked if she could write to me, like a bit like pen pals. And so she sent me this lovely letter. Look at her beautiful handwriting. Beautiful cursive joined up writing there. It reminds me of being at school. So she's written me that beautiful note there. And then she's made me this ever so pretty little gift tag. It's very expensive to send from America. So, you know, I appreciate anybody that sends anything, and New Zealand as well. The lovely jeweller will have paid quite a lot of money to send that to me, so I do appreciate that jeweller because I know it's expensive. So that is from the lovely Eileen, and I will be returning her pen pal letter this week and sending something in return as a little thank you. So there you go. So I just wanted to share that with you. Hopefully those ladies are watching, and so they will know. I sent Eileen a email, I sent Jan an email, and I messaged Julie directly over on Facebook. So they do know that I've received them, and they do know that I'm grateful, but I do like to share the beautiful talents and give people shout outs where I can. Because not everybody is on Facebook, YouTube, not everybody is able to share what they do, and so I just like to share their talents and their cards with you. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to these lovely ladies. I absolutely love getting letters in the post and mail in the post that isn't bills. To be honest, don't we all? So thank you ever so much. That's it for today. Take care, whatever you're doing. I hope you're all getting ready for Christmas. If you're in the UK, wrap up warm and watch the bad weather. We've got high winds due and lots of rain due apparently. So stay warm, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.